Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we're doing another vintage review set. Not as vintage as I've done in the past, but this is a 1998 set, and it's set number 6083, and it's a ninja set, and it's called the Samurai Stronghold. This is before Ninjago. Alright, this is the box, side, and that's the back. You can build an alternative build there. Okay, and let's have a look inside the box. Okay, no spares in this one. There's the instruction, oh not instruction, but there's a catalog with it. Alright, that's the time, that's it there from 1998. So that's what they used to come with, because yeah, that's what they just did. They just produced a catalog for to come with it. So cool, hey? Extreme Rescue, and now I know I did hovercraft review of the fire one. That's another hovercraft right there that would have used that same body piece, one piece. Okay, there's the fishing or water. There's the Indians Western theme. That's Knight's Black Knight, I think. It's Pharaoh, the Adventures. There's yeah, I got that at my city as a museum. Aquazone, insecticides. Got the sets to review as well. Remote control UFO, and remote control. And some trains, some 9-volt train sets, and model team. I've got that set there that I'll be reviewing once I come across it. And technique, competition, and technique, and more technique. And that's that. So I'll put that back in there. Instruction booklet. Okay. Pretty much it says 18 steps, but it's, you know, modular thing is 20 steps to there, and then you start again building the next part. So that's it there. That's a few pictures of action shots of alternative builds on there. So cool little set, like I said before, Ninjago, which is a good theme. Let's have a look at the, oops, bumping things. Now this came out in 1998 and has 3 minifigs and 198 pieces. Okay, and that's Ninjago, nice headpiece there with sideburns. Got a breastplate on so he doesn't get stabbed. Guessing sword. So he's like the guard, and Samurai Stronghold. I'm guessing. Yeah, this is the Samurai. Sorry, nice printing on the legs. Some gold there. That's a gold piece there. Horns. That comes out. Take the helmet off. No, nothing on the back. Just nice face prints. And we'll take the head off and we'll see the torso. Very nicely done for 1998. Very nicely done. Nothing on the back, but yeah, the detail there is pretty good. Okay, it's really good. And he wears his vest on, swordproof, whatever you want to call it. Let's stick him up there, and you get a black ninja. I know it's not cool. I'm sure though they use these pieces to make him, but yeah, the sword fitted onto the back of the headpiece. That's him. Nice dagger in there. Shiny bit there. So a ninja star there. But yeah, kind of cool, huh? Okay, let's have a look at the little kit itself. These doors, yeah, that's right, they open that way. Alright, they're really cool. There's a jam and 2 cups in there. But yeah, it's kind of cool. And there's the show, the sign at which samurai they belong to, with the flag up there. It's plastic, but yeah. Now let's take off the top part and let's have a look. In there we've got a couple of lanterns. Okay, a couple of spears on the side. That comes out. Chop. Okay. Kind of cool when they take the gem. That's it there. So now it is a cool little set. The doors are great. Very easy to open up. For the big wooden doors that they are. So that's that. Right, this is the top part. There's some pieces, rocks, boulders, whatever. Just so if anyone comes in that they don't want in, that gets tipped up and they come out. So I'm not going to do that yet because I don't want those pieces all over the floor. But yeah, that's the Shogun sign, flag, and the ninjas climbing up the vine. That's it. So really nice set, this one from 1998. Let's put it down there. That's it. All right, on a nice grey base plate. No, not grey, green base plate. But yeah, that's it. 3 minifigs. 198 pieces, I believe. Just checking out again. 198 pieces, 3 minifigs, released in 1998, and was part of the castle theme, sub-theme Ninja. Okay. Before Ninjago. I've got more of these sets to review, but box is great. Still intact, pretty cool. That's it. Okay guys, thanks for watching and we will catch you next time. Bye.